In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement in Xero. Importing statements is a really useful way to keep your accounting records up to date without having to type in every single transaction manually. As long as your file is in a format Xero accepts, like CSV or OFX, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting to open the accounting options for your organization. From that drop-down or menu, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to a page that lists all the bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts you've set up in Xero. Make sure you've already created the bank account you want to import into. If you haven't, you'll need to add that bank account before you can proceed with importing a statement. Now, find the specific bank account you want to update with your bank statement. On the right-hand side of that account's row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the additional options for that account. In the menu that appears, click on Import a Statement. This will open the Statement Import screen, where Xero will guide you through bringing in your transactions from a file you've downloaded from your bank. On the Import screen, you'll see a button labeled Select File. Click on Select File, then browse your computer for the bank statement file you want to upload. Make sure you're choosing the correct file for the correct account and double check that it covers the date range you expect to import so you don't accidentally create duplicate transactions. Once you've chosen your file, Xero will show the file name on the screen. When you're happy with your selection, click on Next to continue. Xero will now start examining the contents of your file. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Xero may ask you to confirm things like the date format, the description column, and the amount column. Take a moment to review everything carefully before you finalize the import. When you're done, your transactions will appear in the bank account ready for you to reconcile.